We all know how important it is to get a good night's sleep, but in recent years, the average amount of sleep we get has been steadily decreasing. In both men and women, the average amount of sleep has dropped from 7 to 8 hours a night to 6 to 7 hours. While this might not seem like a big difference to some, it makes a huge difference to your body. During the day, your body is working hard to keep up with your day, and it requires the appropriate amount of time to rest, recover, and recharge to do it all over again. Most people think that not getting a good night's sleep simply means you'll be a little tired the next day, maybe a little foggy. It's nothing that a cup of coffee can't fix, right? Coffee does help, but loading yourself up with caffeine is a band-aid solution and not a permanent fix. The close connection between your good or bad health and lack of sleep. A lack of sleep is also a decisive factor in some of the most serious health problems in people and can be a trigger for sickness and disease. Studies have found that people who have a shortened sleep, which is defined by less than 6 hours, are at an increased risk of heart disease. The 2011 European Heart Journal's review of 15 medical studies involving almost 475,000 people found that people who had shortened sleep cycles were running a 48% increased risk of developing or dying from coronary heart disease. They also found that these people were at a 15% greater risk of developing or dying from stroke. Another interesting point which this study revealed is that long sleepers, or people who sleep 9+ hours a night on average, also showed a 38% risk increase in developing or dying from coronary heart disease and a 65% increased risk of stroke. With sleep, as with most things, good balance seems like the most important thing. Another similar study found that a lack of sleep predicted higher blood pressure. For most people, the body uses the time you are asleep to lower blood pressure, and with a shorter amount of sleep there may not be enough time for this action to take place. Daily distractions take their toll. The world we live in today does not make it any easier for us to get a good night's sleep. People are reporting higher levels of stress caused by things such as work, current events, family situations, and other issues that did not affect the past generations as much. We are also using more and more technology that affects our sleep cycles without us even realizing it. There are many sleep aids that can be purchased, but they are artificial and may even cause dependency with some people. As always, Mother Nature has provided us with a natural solution to this ever-increasing problem. The ultimate sleep solution. This simple, 2-ingredient solution is your best recipe for getting a great night's sleep. It will help your body relax and pull together from the daily turmoil and prepare itself for the next busy morning. All you need is 5 teaspoons of organic raw honey, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Mix these 2 great ingredients together and store it in a glass jar. You can make as much or as little as you want, but a 5-to-1 ratio works the best. Just put a little bit of this mixture under your tongue every night before you go to sleep and let it dissolve naturally. Honey and salt, a heavenly combination. The Himalayan sea salt contains more than 80 minerals and elements that your body needs for different metabolic processes, aiding your body in recovering from the daily efforts. Honey contains glucose, which aids in supplying our body's cells with energy. This honey and salt combination works in consort to increase serotonin levels as well, helping us to de-stress naturally, and allowing us to get the best sleep possible. So, try out this natural sleep aid, and rest easy knowing your body will be ready to face the day. Stay healthy and positive. Share and make your loved ones aware. Thank you very much and have a nice day.